up, everybody? Back again with another video. This video is really just a PM. So through everything with the Link ECU, I've been having this issue with my VVT, and I'll show like a little slide or whatever, where you can see my trigger 2 is not engaging. So I went and ran a scope. This is all with help from people from Link. Once again, shout out to Link. The community is great. Adam specifically, I don't remember your last name, but Adam from Link, you the man. So I looked at a scope and I saw that my trigger 2 cam sensor is malfunctioning. So I mean, the Link ECU is smart enough where it's still able to do a quick sync, I guess, through the other sensor. So I had no issue starting up and everything. Just take a little bit of a longer start, but yeah, I got the sensors, so I'm gonna get into changing those, and then we'll get back in the laptop and see how everything looks. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Welcome back. I got both of the cam sensors changed. I didn't bother changing the crank sensor because I just want to see if changing these two sensors to everything will be okay. I have the crank sensor, I know, change them all, whatever. I'm being slightly lazy right now. But I was trying to get the screen record going, but it's not working out for me right now. But I'm about to connect it, and I'm going to show you guys the process I go through just to check to see if the triggers are going. So here we go. Got everything here, put the key in. Alright, let's connect. Just gonna connect to ECU. Link ECU. Alright. And gonna come on over here to fueling. And I'm gonna turn my injection mode to off. For this test, and then I'm going to press R to pull up my runtime values, and I'm going to check the triggers. Here we are, triggers, and I'm looking for trig 1 signal and trig 2 signal. That's all I'm looking for. It will not start right now because the fueling is off. So let's see, first test. Oh wow, good sign, good sign. So yeah, it says trigger 1, trigger 2. Let's go again. Yes, we were not getting that before. So let's go and turn on the fueling injection mode. Injection mode was on sequential. Okay. Models, and now let's go for the start. And yes, syncs perfectly. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. All right, guys, the other thing that I was going to check was my scope for the triggers, trigger 1 and trigger 2. Remember from the picture earlier what it was looking like? So we're just going to capture one real quick. I can already tell that's looking beautiful. Save that. Trigger scope. Yes. All right, guys, this is looking beautiful. All right, guys, so I got the car warmed up and everything. Got the laptop hooked up. just gonna go along a little ride right around the block just to make sure everything is good, and I'm gonna just log this so I can look at it later. But this is pretty much what I do, guys. I do something, log it, check it, and go from there, you know. Now this is the first drive, so I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's get the log going. Make sure we got all clear. I just ran a cam angle test again. Let me just store the ECU. Going. See what my AFRs are.
You are made of stupid.
All right, guys, and I can end it on that. It was a successful day using these A premium Amazon cam sensors. I mean, they work. The ones I was on there before, they obviously did not work. You guys saw from the scope and everything, they were not working. But yeah, everything's good now. VVT is working. Car is dirty as hell. VVT is working now. I just got to go over the tune and mess with it some more. But every day learning something. Every day learning something. So again, that's another video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a quick and easy thing. It's a little bit of maintenance, but take care of your car to take care of you. Peace.
I just fucked your bitch in a Sean John tank top. Treat a bad bitch like she average. I treat a bad bitch like a fat bitch, and they never let me get money again. On my Cat Williams when they get funny again. Yeah, you see they tried to count me out. I like that.